Now, more parents are trying to help their babies sleep better by using white noise generators that sound like this. But there are questions over the safety of these white noise machines. It's our daily dilemma. Please welcome Sabrina Rogers-Anderson from kidsbot.com.au. So first of all, these white noise machines actually help babies get to sleep?
Yeah, there have been a lot of studies to their effectiveness, and they're actually really effective, and they're not addictive in the sense that you don't have to worry about weaning your baby off them too quickly, because, yeah, you can last... Some adults even use them.
Well, it's newborns, basically. It's meant to replicate the sound in the womb, isn't it?
But
I know babies who people leave the vacuum cleaner on.
That's right. So I have a 2-year-old, and I still use it for her, and it works really well. But in my research, I found, unfortunately, that they're not always used safely. So there's a study that was done in Toronto, and researchers examined 14 commercial white noise machines, and they found that all of them exceeded the safe noise levels. So some of them was just minimally, but others, it went up to 85 decibels, which is the safe limit for noise in the workplace in Australia for adults. But the key is how you use them. So a lot of parents are using them unsafely by putting them too close to the baby's head. So some portable ones go actually in the cot, and you should never do that. So you should place them across the room as far as you can from the baby. Turn the volume down. So a lot of websites will tell you to turn it up to the max. You shouldn't do that. And also, another way to reduce it...
just to drown out the crying?
Yeah, I don't think that's really safe. Another way to do it is to just leave it on while they're going to sleep and then turn it off after a couple of hours. So.
Because whatever can get your baby to sleep.
They're great.
What are the concerns?
I can't believe there's another thing for parents to worry about.
No.
How can a white noise machine possibly be dangerous?
We're talking long-term hearing loss, aren't we?
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. Can you use other things as well? I mean, you know, podcasts or, you know, Joe asking a question on loop to get your baby to sleep, or...?
That could work.
Actually, I think you'll find if you go back to the 1975 budget papers...
Oh, now that would send a baby to sleep. And grown-ups too.
Yeah, no, we had people who use the vacuum cleaner who would actually just turn on the vacuum cleaner and just stick it on. This is one of those questions, isn't it?
I thought you were about to say yes, people do use me.
Because it makes the same noise. It just goes...
I don't use a vacuum cleaner.
I'm not talking about...
My concern with anything that's like a crutch or a prop to get your baby to sleep is, what if you go to a friend's house or you go on holidays and you forget it? Like, I was always very reluctant, you know, my kids have comfort toys, and if they leave the comfort toy anywhere, it's a nightmare. So I just think if you introduce another thing into the routine, it's just another thing you've got to...
It's the first thing I pack when I go anywhere. It comes with me everywhere.
I've got Mr. T. I'll bring him in tomorrow.
Who's Mr. T with the gold chains?
No. He's Mr. T.
What's that?
Is he a driver?
He's a sloth.
A sloth?
That you sleep with?
Yeah.
Oh.
I use him as a
I've known a few
water
Mr.
bottle.
T's in my time as well.
No, I'll bring him in tomorrow. I'll show you.
Yay.
Mr. T's coming in.
Why do you call him Mr. T?
Stands for 10 out of 10.
It's a long story.
Okay.
Oh.
Joe Hildebrand long, or...? Okay.
That long. Till probably the next commercial break.
Joe Long. We're going to take a break now. Sabrina, actually, thank you for coming in and chatting with us.